Leetcode 1863 problem. The question name is sum of all the subset XOR total. It is an easy level question of Leetcode. The question says the XOR total of an array is defined as a bitwise XOR of all the elements or 0 if array is empty. For example, the XOR total of an array 256 is 2 XOR 5 XOR 6, which is equal to 1. Given an array of nums, return the sum of all the XOR total of every subset of nums. So we need to find the every subset of num, and we will calculate the XOR of that, and we will sum it. Subset node. The subset with the same element should be counted multiple times. An array A is a subset of array B. If A can be obtained from B by deleting some, possibly 0 elements from B. So it is like a subsequence. We can let's take this example 516. What are the subset of this array? It can be 5, it can be 1, it can be 6, it can be 5 1, it can be 1 6, it can also be 5 6. Else it can be 1 5 5 1 and 6. The total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 possible sub-arrays, not sub-arrays, subset can be formed from this array. Now, we will we will perform the XOR between each element. So 5 XOR 1, 1 XOR 6, 5 XOR 6, and 5 XOR 1 XOR 6. And whatever we are getting as answer, we will add it. So we will add this, 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 and this. And whatever answer we will be getting, we will return it. So in this case, I am getting 28 as answer. So I will return 28. So how we will be approaching this? So let's take this example only. So let's say my num is 5, 1, and 6. Okay. I am currently at 5 and I will be calling 1. I will tell you what I am doing. I am at 5, I call 1. I am at 1, I will be calling, I will be calling 6. Is 6 empty? Yes, 6 is empty. So it will be returning me a array with element 6. Now, what 1 will do? 1 will append 1 will append to each element of 6. So what I am doing? What we will be returning from 1? 1, first of all, it will keep the element as it is and it will append 1 to 6. So 1 XOR 6. And also it will add the element itself also. Okay. Now, what we will do here. So 1 has returned this subset 6, 1 XOR 6 and 1. Now what 5 will do? First of all, this will be same. Now we will be at appending extra elements, which is 5 XOR 6, 5 XOR 1 XOR 6, 5 XOR 1, and at last the element itself 5. How many elements we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these are the subsets of the arrays. At the end, I will iterate to all the elements of the array and I will add all these elements and I will return the answer. So let's see the code. It is class solution. This is the function in which we are getting the nums array. I am initializing a num answer array list and I am filling this answer by get function. Get function will fill my answer. At this point, whenever I have executed the get function, I know that my answer is filled. What I will do, I will iterate to all the element in the answer and I will add it to x. And at last, I will return the x. What the get function is doing? The get function is accepting nums of array, integer I, and array list of answer. If my I is greater than nums.length, I will not perform anything. And I will, if it is not, I will say that fill, go to the I plus one and fill the answer array list. After my array list is filled, what I am doing is calculating the length of the answer, or we can say size of the answer. Then I will travel from w equal to 0 to w is smaller than L, and I will append nums of I XOR answer dot get w. And at last, I will also be appending the number itself. This will add all the subsets, and I will be getting the answer array as filled with integers, which is the subset of the array. At last, I will be returning the answer. Thank you.